So if we type in shop.kitechdigital.com, let's see if it is working. Yes, as you can see over here, everything is working now. Now what we have to do is now that we have created our subdomain, we have our subdomain working all right. We need to install WordPress on it. So that is the second thing that we are going to do. We're going to install WordPress on it so that we can use it to create our website. But of course, this is how you can be able to create a subdomain for your for whatever you want to use it to do. Okay, now let's go back again, and then let's go to the subdomains over here. So as you can see, this is the subdomain that we created. Where is it? Let me go to the next side of it. Now I've created a lot of subdomains, so sometimes, yeah, very good. This one over here. Okay, so this is a very subdomain that we created. Okay, this one over here, and it is working perfectly over here. Now let's go to back over here, and then we want to install WordPress on our subdomain that we created. Okay, so in the same cPanel, that is where we are going to install WordPress on our subdomain. Okay, so guys, I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying it, I would love you to leave a like over here, and then comment anything that you want to say about it, and then let's go. If you haven't also subscribe to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel, and then so that I'll be able to create more content for you guys, so that you'll be able to learn as you go. So to install WordPress on it, you can decide to just search for WordPress. Okay, just search for WordPress. Now as you can see, this is WordPress managed by Subdomains. Now you can also decide to scroll down, and then you see this one over here which says Subdomains app installer. Okay, now if you don't see it over here, just scroll down. Okay, you're gonna see it down over here. Okay, now as you can see, there is also WordPress by Subdomains over here, but this is what in my Namecheap, those who are using Namecheap, this is what you're gonna click on. So just click on it because it's a script. We're going to install the script on it, so click on it, and then it will direct you to this place over here. Okay, so as you can see, this is WordPress, and we love to install it on our subdomain. Okay, so how do we install it? Just click on just install now, and then choose the subdomain that we created. Choose it. Okay, and then make sure that if you haven't installed SSL on it, make sure that you do that before you choose SSL. Now if it is not SSL, if you don't have SSL on this subdomain, all what you need to do is to choose the one without SSL. Okay, but of course I have SSL on it because Namecheap give me free SSL whenever I create a subdomain for it. So as you can see, it is working perfectly. Now you can give your site name over here. So what is the site name? So let's say I want to say shop, or maybe Kitech shop. Okay, you can just give it the name, and then your site description. So what is the site description? Anything that you want to write over here, that will be the site description. It means that what your website is all about. Okay, so make sure that you create a description for it. So this is an online shop. Okay, an online shop, and then you can choose your username. So what username do you want to choose for it? So I want to say Kitech. Okay, and then you choose a strong password. So of course you can make sure that you choose a strong password, or you can use this one. Make sure that you save it so that you can be using it all the time, or if you like, just choose a password for it. I'm going to hide this one and then choose my password for it. Make sure that the password is very strong. Okay, so as you can see, I've chosen a strong password. Okay, so this is my password. I can also come over here and then change this email address, and then put in my own email address in it. Okay, now of course if you want to enable multi-site, okay, you can choose this one. If you want to disable WordPress cron, you can also choose this one. Now if you don't know anything about it, do not touch it. Okay, it is perfectly for you to leave it as it is. Don't touch it. Okay, very good. So now that we have everything set up, if you want to select some plugins over here, you can choose the plugins that you want to set up, but I don't want to select any plugin. I feel like everything is okay. If you want to choose a theme to start with, you can choose a theme to start with, but I'm not going to choose anything because I will install my own theme over here. And then over here, your WordPress installation details. So I want it to go to my website and my email address, this email address over here, and then I can click on install now to start installing the WordPress for me. So as you can see, it's starting installing and checking the database and other things. It will finish within a twinkle of an eye, and then it is done. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So WordPress has been installed successfully. Now we can go ahead and then check our website. So as you can see, this is the previous one that we checked, and if I refresh it right now, it's supposed to give me the new website because we've installed WordPress on it, and that is it. Now if I want to go to the back end of the website, I can click over here, and then it's gonna take me to the back end of the website. So as you can see, WordPress installed successfully, and now we have our website to start designing and doing everything that we want to do it. So this is how you can be able to create a subdomain and then also install WordPress on a subdomain. So for those of you who wants to install WordPress on a subdomain, this is how you can do it. Now for those of you who wants to create a subdomain and then install WordPress on it, this is how you can also be able to do it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you to install WordPress and then also to create a subdomain for yourself and then for your business. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you. Bye bye.